Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency. Just easily join step by step my rules. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. I have this much USDT earned from this website, and right now I share with you the withdrawal proof from this website. Just I click withdrawal. This website pay in Express Crypto. Right now no available Express Crypto. The next way is a Faucet Pay and crypto.com and Coinbase. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal for the Express Crypto Faucet Pay is the same. The crypto.com and Coinbase is a 5 cent. Okay, just I want to withdraw in a Coinbase. I just click shiba coin. This is the minimum withdrawal amount. Just I click shiba coin. I put my wallet address, email, and just I receive this much shiba coin if I click withdraw. Okay, and you can see I go to my history, go to withdrawal. You can see this is a pending because for the Coinbase this will be take 1 hour or 2 hours for the pending approval to this website pay you to your Coinbase. Okay, it didn't pay you anything about the Coinbase is little bit or to come you can earn. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and this website link available in description. You can earn much more cryptocurrency from the website. Bye bye for now.